Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn in 5 or 6 steps how to remove the vocals, the voices from a video, a YouTube video, and how to put your voice on top of something, dubbing, to put your voice on top of a trailer or of a song, okay? The first step we need to complete is find the trailer that you want to use or the song. I'm just going to take the first one. It doesn't really matter what video you take. Then you copy the link, okay? Then you go on Mazmazica and you click on Karaoke tool and then vocal remover. You scroll down and here YouTube link, we Ctrl V or right click paste our link and we click on enter. Then you have to wait a few seconds for your files to download. So we are going to wait. Okay, so now it's completed. Here I have my folder, so it's in my downloads. It's probably in your PC as well. You can click on this icon to open your PC's download, and here is my file. Inside you have 2 MP3s, 2 audios, one with the voices, the vocals, and one with the background noises and accompaniments like music or sound effects. This is the file we are interested in, so you place it wherever you want, desktop, download. I'm going to place it in download too. Now we're going to use the last website called Kapwing. You can sign in with your well, just not ENT now, your Eleval address, okay? Name, surname at eleval.net. The first time you are going to connect, the website is going to ask you if you're a school, a student, your date of birth. You don't really have to complete all this, you can write whatever you want. Then we click on create a new project. Okay, we don't need to learn that. I'm going to teach you what you need to do. You click on 16:9 ratio. This is the ratio for cinema. We click now add media, and here we copy the YouTube link from our trailer. This link here on top. Okay, it is right there, and we slide it. It's loading. Okay, we have to wait a few seconds. Okay. It is loading up, so we have to wait. Okay, you can see the 3 dots, meaning that it is loading. So there's nothing we can do, we have to wait a little. Okay, now I think it's loaded, so we can place it here on our Canva, empty Canva. You can see the purple line right there is the volume. So we are going to put the volume down to 0 because we don't want to use this track. We want to upload, so we click here, add media, the one without the voices, this one in download. So we click on open. Again, it's going to take some time depending on your connection, so you have to wait. This is much easier to upload. And now, if you want, you can preview and you can listen. Okay? And this is your trailer. Okay, and you can see there's no voice. Okay, so now you have 2 more steps to complete. We need to record your voice and we need to export the project, the finished project. So now what I like to do is split my screen in 2, which means I'm going to put Kapwing on one side and YouTube on the other side. I'm going to put the CC, the closed caption, the subtitles, and I'm going to watch the film. Watch it, not watch it. This is not correct. Okay, watch it. So I'm going to go back, okay, right here, and I'm going to record my watch it. So you go in, I think it's not record, it's audio, and you press the record button. Do you want Kapwing to use your microphone? Yes, I do. Allow, and here, okay, watch it. So you press the red button, watch it, and you stop, and here you can see, I'm going to go full screen mode again, so you can see better. Here, if you want, you have a zoom, so you can zoom in. Okay, and you go back to your video, and maybe you don't want your watch it to start right here. Maybe you want it to start there. So you can now move, not this one, sorry. You can move things around, okay, and maybe it's going to start here. So let's go back at the beginning. Watch it. Okay, so here there's a mistake because I'm teaching you how to do it. So I'm going to cut here the first sentence, the first word. I'm going to move this back a little bit and let's listen to it one more time. Watch it. Perfect. Okay, so this is what you have to do if you're alone or with someone else. If you are working in groups, you need to invite the others to collaborate with you on this one. So you just click on the blue button share and you write, okay, the email address of the people you want to invite. Okay, Russell Nicholas at ENT, oops, there's a typo, at lfval.net, send invite, and the other person is going to receive a link and they click and they can collaborate with you. You will see the people working this way. For example, if you are doing one voice and someone else is doing another voice, okay, you can record maybe your part of the video here and they can record their lines later, okay? So for example, okay, someone can work here, okay, and start recording. Okay, well, obviously here it's not going to be watch it. I just copy paste the exact same line. Okay, but you see the point. You are going to place the little cursor when there's your voice, like here there's something going to be said. Then you go in audio, record, and then you say your sentence. You stop. Okay, and here it is. You have the ability. Okay, if you zoom in, and because I changed the cursor, it's a bit hard. Okay, you can crop, you can cut, okay, the things you don't want, so it's neat and perfect. Okay, and then you place it exactly where you want it to be. If you zoom in, you can even place it not the millisecond, but maybe the next decimal. Okay, and you can place it exactly where you want it to be. And little by little, okay, you record your voice, okay, everywhere it needs to go. And when you're done, you click on the blue button, well, the teal, you know, that turquoise, the teal button. You don't change anything, MP4 automatic, export as MP4, and you wait. You can share this link with a teacher, for example, and if you want, you can download your file too. Okay, it's going to take a few seconds. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. This works with films, trailers. Sometimes it doesn't work with old trailers. If you take a video from an old film like The Godfather, for example, it can be hard for the website Mathematica to extract the voices because the sound capture at the time was not the same as today. Okay, now it's finished. Okay, my video is ready and I can download it if I want. Okay, you see it's being downloaded, or you can send the link to the people you want. Okay, thank you very much. I hope I helped you understand what you need to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye.